Hello my friend, welcome to the third lesson of the Instagram masterclass. Today we are going to learn how to power up your Instagram account. So without wasting time, let's learn about that. How to power up your Instagram account. You need to follow up 4 steps. As I mentioned here, you need to set a smart goal. Goal setting is most important thing when you are doing any kind of work. If you are doing any kind of work according to the goal, or you can reach that goal as soon as possible, right? It will help to reach your goal very quickly. Okay, so another point is you need to plan your content. So content planning is most important factor when you are doing SMM, if not social media marketing. You need to follow up these concept. That means you need to create a social media calendar and you need to work according to that. So that is most important thing. I will explain and I will give you good details about that. Next part is, if you can include more videos to your strategy or your content plan, so that means your reach, your impressions will be go high, because every social media platforms give the more priority for videos. So therefore I think if you can include more videos, I think that will be great, and I think it will help to improve your growth of your social media channel or your social media profile, right? And another point is you need to analyze your progress. That means if you can analyze it is daily, you can get good idea how your profile behave, what kind of people like your profile, what kind of people like to see your content. So that kind of things you can learn, and now your the age range of your audience and which country they are from. So there are a lot of stuff you can understand if you can analyze your progress, if you can analyze your social media account behavior. Thank you very much for joining this video. Next video I'll explain how to set a smart goal. Have a nice day.